Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Tunes, and today we're gonna see an interesting video on a tutorial video which is known as Canva Basics. So I'm gonna tell you Canva Basics today. So let's get started with all the energy. Okay, so I'm gonna give you a brief information on how or what are the things you can see in Canva, what are the features of Canva you can just see over when you just open the website or the app. So I'm not sure about, I've been using it phone, but I'm not sure about how to do that in the phone because my phone is a little tricky, it's a little clumsy. So I'm just doing it in my laptop. I'm going to show what's the thing you have when you just open the website or the app in your laptop. And let's go on. So either you can use the website, which is www.canva.com, or you can use the app. You can install apps too. But I prefer or I edit my YouTube videos in canva.com or the website. So now let's get started without wasting time. Okay, so here's a Canva logo, and here we have the home. This is the home page. Here are the templates where you can do templates on social media, personal, business, marketing, education, trending, etc. And then on the go you have features like you can do photos, background, icons, print products, apps, explore. You can just explore things like themes and crafts and charts, and you can download Canva for Mac, Windows, Android, or iOS. Okay, on the right we come to the menu page. Here's a menu thing. You have your name over here, your account name. So my name is Joe over here. And then there's home, which is the home page again. And here is all your designs. You can just click on it and you can just overview all your designs. And then, oh, there are a lot of designs over here. It's mine. And then you have a shared with you thing. You haven't shared any designs or folders, but if you have shared any things with anyone in Canva, then those things will appear here. Okay, then all your folders, you can just put all your videos together. If you think that your videos are clumsy when you're clicking on all the designs, then you can just arrange them onto folders. And there's the trash where you delete your unwanted things, unwanted videos. It's like a dustbin. And then team, there you can invite members in your team. You can create a team. It's a cool. I'm going back to home page now. Okay, so now over here we just saw about this and this. Yeah, over here we have learn, where you can just do courses, tutorials, and blogs. There you can even see Canva tutorials taught by many people who are using Canva right now in YouTube. Okay, so now we have pricing here, which is free. Okay, so I'm gonna recommend one thing, which is if you're using like Canva for a YouTube video, you can better go with the free. Or if you want a video to explore more, then you can go with the pro thing. Oh, where is it? Yeah, over here. You can use a pro. And there's enterprise for large businesses. If you're having a large business and you want to run some ads or something for that, you can use enterprise. And education, like if you're a team and doing things, you can do education thing, and you're gonna non-profits. Okay, so now let's go on the rail there. Over here we have a what will you design box, and you can just search your content over here. And then over here we have presentations for you is a normal thing which we all do, or the popular thing. Okay, and the next we have presentations, where you can do presentations, talking presentation, mobile first presentation, and presentation with different ratios. So many things. Oops, I'm sorry. Yeah, and over here we have social media, where you can do cool things for your business in social media. Like quick create, you can edit your photo, and you can do Instagram posts, Facebook posts, Instagram, is that? Yeah, your story, WhatsApp status, and everything. Yeah, and on the go we have video over here, which is a place where I go for editing my YouTube videos. Over here I usually take this video 1920 into 1080 pixels, But you have Facebook videos, video messages, like if you want to send your cool intimate friend a happy birthday, you can just wish over this side. Okay, and then next we have mobile video, which are used for shorts. So if you want to put shorts and you want to edit those things in your Canva app, you can better use a mobile video template and you can just edit on it. Next we have the special thing, which is YouTube video. You can just edit your videos. I mean, this is especially for YouTubers. You can just edit your YouTube videos in this template, which is the same as I use. You can see the pixels over down. Yeah, the same pixels over here. Yeah, then over the dial we have video collages, YouTube video ad, feed ad portrait, and slideshow video. And on the rail we have print text. If you're a businessman or woman, you can just use it for like popular things which people use, and like you can do marketing, you can make a cool gift for your friend, like a gift certificate, poster, a gift tag. And then stationery, you have these things, clothing and cards and invites. And then about marketing, if you're a businessman again, so print products and marketing are almost the same, but still they have some differences. You want to study those things in YouTube or Google. Okay, I'm not going to talk about that. Okay, on the rail we have online ads, print ads, we have all these things. You can do a poster, flyer, business card, brochure. And then we have office or official thing, which is most loved by teens. Like you can create a resume, you can create a A4 sheet documents, especially for some brochure things. And then you can do a report, and you can do a planner. You have a letter, you can write a letter to your manager. You have a letterhead, proposal, graphic organizer, invoice copies, checklist, memos, and wall calendar. Wow, there's a lot of things and a lot of things to do. Next on the rail we have more option over here. So we have infographic, photo collage, desktop wallpaper, graph, book cover, etc, etc. We have so many things. Oh, Zoom virtual background, you have all those things over here. You can just do it. And then over here we are having a thing like edit photo. You can just click on that and you can take a photo and you can just edit it. And we have start from a file, where you can just click a file from your files or a file explorer, and you can just take from there. And then over here we have help center, where you can just ask the questions. I'll just click on it and let's see what's inside. Yeah, we can just ask anything. They have given some suggestions and you can ask anything about that. So that's known as a design school or something. And then on the rail we are having the next button over here, which is your account settings. Okay, you can use your accounts and all those things about that. And then we have your notification bell, where you'll receive all the notification about your teams and updates and designs. Yeah, and you can just customize the size. You can just click on it and you can just type something like 780 and width 780. You can just create a new design like that, and then you'll go inside, you'll go like click, and there'll be a size which you want it. Just want it now, it's a square. Yeah, and that's how you do it. Okay, yeah, that's it about today's video. And there are so many things here. They'll appear the recent designs. Yeah, we have so many. What's a conclusion you can get? What's a conclusion I can get is that Canva is a really useful app for official purposes, personal things, and for YouTubers. That's what I think. So this is really an enchanting, amazing, and fantabulous thing or app which you can use, or a website. It's also a website which you can use. And I'll be putting more videos on tutorials of Canva. Until then, bye.